how's it going? Today we are going to put a belt, leather belt, on old single sewing machine I picked up off the side of the road. I remember these from when I was a kid. Alright, the belt. Like so. What I'm going to do is fold the arm back like so. Fold the front up. Lift that. It'll stay sideways. Hold handle. Fold back. To do this, you're going to need safety glasses, a hammer, a nail, a pair of scissors, and a $7 to $8 Amazon leather Singer belt. And here we go. Take the end without the staple. Run it through the hole in the flap. You'll see it. Just run the whole thing through until you get to the end with the staple. Now you go under here and take your belt and you run it through that, up through the hole in there, and you're back where you started, and there's the other end. Now the trick to this is when you put it on, notice it slides back and forth. You're going to want to stretch this belt out until it stretches and gets very tight and starts actually turning the wheel. Mark it there with the marker. Okay, next with your belt still threaded through all the same holes, just take it off the bottom wheel. After you've stretched it out, marked it off, cut it to where the two ends meet together, fully stretched out, and that is where the next part comes in. You're going to want to take a nail, get a skinny trim nail, and pop your little hole to it. Just still be threaded through that and through that one too as well, but take it off the main wheel. Give yourself some playroom. We've already got a hole in this, and set this camera down. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to just simply slide that through and bend it over like so. Now, I don't know that it calls for it, but here's what I like to do. Get you some not cheap, some actual electrical tape that has some stretch to it. And we should be on to the next part, putting it back on the wheels and stretching it out, and let's see what we got. Alright, that's on there. Now let's see what we're working with. working, but you're gonna need to hold it and maybe cut a little bit more off that belt and make it a little bit tighter. It's not quite as tight as I like, but you see it does move. It's tight enough to here we got it all oiled up. I'm going to show you a little something here. This little handle here is for taking the belt off. See, it popped it right off. Well, you want to do that before you lift up on this so you don't stretch the belt. Well, now we got that out of the way. Once you, and just now replace that back on the belt, back on the main flywheel, and let's see what we got here. There you go. There's how you restore and rebelt a Singer sewing machine. Tune in for the videos upcoming. I'll be showing how to fix various different parts on cars, how to get around failing emission tests, how to fix those problems that cost thousands for literally $5 less. Build birdhouses and other things, and new videos coming out tomorrow or a year and a half or longer, who knows. But subscribe if you want to find out. Later.